So what did you guys think about that? Wasn't that totally cool? By the way, my name is Tina. I'm the hip cool one, if you want to remember me by name. The hip cool one, Tina. All right, guys. Well, I'm out of here. Hope to see you next time. And until then, continue to party like a party animal or a party towel. Matter of fact, a party animal. Finally, some peace and quiet. So, you gotta love a balcony, ladies. You can just hang around, relax, enjoying the view. And nobody bothers you. That's why I love booking a balcony. I'm not gonna lie, ocean views are cool, but there's something about a balcony. Like 2 seats, can't beat that. Table, can't beat that either. And a nice sunset. By the way, my name is Irma. Not Hurricane Irma, just Irma. By the way, we were caught in the hurricane as well. You can look for that on our channel. But that was on another cruise line. But I keep everyone updated with all the cruise talk, because I know all towels and teddies from state to state. Oh, my eyeball. Okay, guys, it's too windy out here. Let me get my eyeball and talk to you guys soon. Jumping wave, jumping wave, jumping wave, jumping wave, jumping wave, hiya, hiya. Hi, you guys. Just wanted to show you some of the snacks around the ship. I got some cake. I got every flavor. They don't tell you how much you can get. So, look at the cake that I brought back to the room. Look at it. I got carrot. I got German chocolate. And I even got coconut lemon. My favorite. Oh man, which one should I eat first? Make sure you guys check out the cake party. It's at 3 o'clock. But until then, I'm gonna eat this. Oh, I'm so excited. All the cake in the world is on the Carnival horizon.
Hey guys, it's Ellie once again, but you can call me Elle. Well, today was a nice sea day. I mean, we had the Amor Cubano dance classes, and I got my little shimmy on to do the mambo and the bachata, and guess what? They had a party at night, and I was able to use all my moves. Can you imagine me, Ellie, dancing mambo? Another fun event today was the military appreciation gathering that they had, and then, you know, watching all the different armed force guys go back and forth about who's better and things. It was pretty fun. Had a few pool games going on. Even sent my lady Ellie to a ladies pamper party today. I'm a big fan of the Hunger Games, so, you know, I participated in the trivia today. Had a great time, you know, telling everybody what I knew about Hunger Games. I not only read the books, I saw all the movies. Shout out to Jennifer Lawrence. Yeah, so, just want to let you guys know, when you're on the Carnival horizon, there's a whole lot to do, whole lot to eat, and a whole lot of fun. So, don't be afraid to get on this ship. But as much as I like this ship, a little disappointed about Grand Turk. But we'll talk about that another time. Bye.
Well, next, I'm going to introduce you guys to some of my friends. They'll update you on all the other things that are going to be going on in the days to come.
'Cause as you know, my room stewardess takes me apart. So I may not be able to hang around with you guys much longer. So I want to introduce you to a few other friends that I have on board with me. So treat them as good as you treated me. And stay tuned for more fun. See you guys on your next cruise.